have our thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines. Let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match number 20, and out comes Nashoba into the neutral zone. Scrap on red falling close behind. Streams of fuel for both of our alliances, and that stream must be Nashoba putting in their hopper full of fuel. 57.35, the control freeze coming as well alongside their alliance partner Gemini. That's 45.75. Nashoba comes out for thirds, I believe, into the neutral zone once again. Blue has in fact won the auto race, meaning that red is going to take that first alliance active shift. Nashoba shooting one last stream of fuel in before their hub finally expires. The Iron Maidens also on blue, sailing across the neutral zone over that fuel, trying to stock up before their hub comes alive once more. Red now for offense. Gemini zooming across, angling themselves just right to score their fuel into that hub alongside their alliance partners here. Zooming across the field is also Scrap from Weymouth, going over that bump and trying to disturb the Blue Alliance as much as possible. Blue's hub coming alive. Iron Maiden is sailing over that bump with just a bit of hindrance from Scrap. Nashoba once again up and in goes fuel from the Nashoba machine into the hub. 152 to 41. Blue Alliance trying to get that 190 threshold of the energized ranking point. Iron Maiden flying over that bump once again, getting just a little bit caught. Pushing and shoving Scrap to stop them going to the red alliance zone because now the red hub is active. Nashoba Robotics coming over, stealing that fuel from the red side of the field, stealing it from Gemini as they spin fuel up onto the hub. Control Freaks ferrying some of their fuel from the neutral zone into the red side for their alliance partners to score. All three of our red robots in the neutral zone here, trying to get that fuel that blue is shooting from the hub into the field. Blue, having gotten the energized ranking point, they set their sights on higher goals. They're trying to go for that supercharged ranking point now. 40 seconds left with a score of 221 in the hub. Can they do it before time expires? They sure want to. Gemini on red tries to stop them, stopping them from leaving over that bump before coming back to their own zone here on red. As we enter the end game, both hubs come alive. Human players for red going up and in. Gemini coming out once again. Control Freaks trying to spin up their machine and score something into their hub. It is a race of the BattleCry dots. Red wanting to close that gap, parking two of their bots onto the two BattleCry dots. Iron Maidens on blue doing the same, but here comes Nashoba to push and scores for 20 up on the board and finalized. Scoring 337 points, Blue will be taking home those 4 ranking points, 3 for the win and 1 for the energized. Both alliances got 20 points from the BattleCry dot in the center, but it does look like